Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can charge your DJI Air 2S controller. So first of all we have to locate our USB-C port, and it's actually located right here in this place. And right now all we have to do is just to grab the USB-C cable. So that's my cable, and the USB-C and the USB-A, that's actually cable from my phone. You have to plug it right here. And this second end you can plug to the charging brick, to the PC, to the laptop, or to the power bank, for example. I'm gonna actually use this random no-name charging brick. I'm gonna plug this cable here, and for sure the second end we have to plug to the electricity. And when you do this, you can see that right now these indicators are blinking, and it means that our device is charging, and each dot stays for 25% of the battery level. So when you got like 3 dots and the last one is blinking, it means that your device is above 75%. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.